Hi you guys, welcome back to the PluginDuo. My name is Julio.
And I'm Christine. So I'm super excited about this video, and I think actually both of us are.
Yeah, so this video is sponsored by EVBase. They have great EV products, so check them out. We're gonna be in this video, we're gonna be showcasing the aero covers for our Tesla Model Ys, but be sure to check out all their other products. They have a lot of good stuff on there, but let's get to the video.
All right, so I am excited about putting this video together because for quite some time I've been wanting to customize my car. I just didn't really know what I wanted, and I really didn't care to spend the extra money on a whole new rim and tire set and all of that, especially when I have good ones. So I was super excited when EVBase contacted us and reached out and wanted to do this partnership. So I am excited. Let's see how long it takes us to get these wheel covers off and put the new ones on, because we are standing and doing this in over 100-degree weather. It's very hot, but I'm still excited to do the video. So let's go ahead and get this started. What do you say?
Yeah, let's get it done.
All right.
So one of the things that you know that you're working with a good company that cares about their product is the way that they ship it. Look how everything is packaged with bubble wrap to make sure that each aero cover is gonna be free of damage. It's gonna be very well protected. That is a very good sign that you are dealing with a company that cares about their product and how the product reaches their customers. Okay. So when you get your Tesla and you're speccing out your Tesla, you have a limited amount of options. The standard wheel is called the Gemini wheel, which underneath is the rim underneath, which is called the Gemini. But for efficiency, it comes with an aero cap just like this. The problem is that a lot of people don't know that underneath the aero rim, the Gemini rim, this product is great for those that want style, but yet also want efficiency, because when you actually remove the aero covers, they actually do serve a purpose. You do lose a little bit of range. You have the style, but you do lose a little bit of range. So this product is a great option for those people that want to have style without compromises and not lose their efficiency, and individualizing your own car to your liking. So let's get to unboxing this product. One thing that I really liked, and again, it shows the commitment to product, is you have those dark colored aero covers, but you get the choice of matte black Tesla logo or the pearly white Tesla logo with the black emblem. Again, depending on the color that you have choices. Or if you choose to, this could help complete the Stormtrooper look with the black and white. Yeah, that actually looks nice. I like that a lot, especially with the white car. I feel like it complements. So with the white car, you get your black handles, and then that kind of just sets it off. Yeah, definitely. And what I actually like is that they actually did a pretty good job matching the pearly white to the paint. So again, that just shows the commitment when a company wants to do a great product. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. It actually does have that pearly white. Exactly. Okay, nice. Options are always good, right? Okay, first of all, definitely very sturdy, very well built. You have your clips here for hanging onto the center portion, and on here for holding onto the rim. And again, this is made for the Gemini 19-inch wheels. I am really digging this matte black color, and as I said, these are extremely sturdy. Honestly, I am impressed. The matte black emblem to complement the aero cover itself, or you can also switch it and have the Stormtrooper look going on and make that black and white pop. Oh yeah. So what do you guys think? Matte black or Stormtrooper white? That's a tough choice. Yeah. I think for me, because my car is blue, I'm probably just going to do all black. If it was yours, it'd be white for sure, but I think for mine, it's just going to be the black. Both great options, though. Yeah, both are great options. Honestly, I really don't think you can go wrong with either or. No. I think I have spoken enough. Let's get to installing, because honestly, I'm really looking forward. Let's get these puppies on the car. Let's see how they look. Each aero cover also comes with this sticky foam tape. This would prevent rubbing and probably from making noise. So for the meantime, we're gonna choose not to put it on, and we will go from there. So for now, that we're not gonna put on, but each of the aero covers comes with 4 of these foamy strip tapes. Okay, so Christine decided she liked the look better of the matte black Tesla logo for the center caps. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 4 of these and put it with these form circular 3M tapes. So we're gonna remove the red portion of here, and we're gonna put it here in the back of the center cap. And now we're gonna take the backing off from that circular sticky tape, and we're gonna place it here on the aero cover. So I think the only thing you gotta try to center as best as you can. Push it into place, and there we go. That actually looks really nice.
Yeah, it looks good. I like it.
All right, so that was easy. So now all we gotta do is just do that to all 4, and let's get those ready. Okay, now after all of that prepping, let's get to the meat and potatoes, the actual installing. Just remove it, it's real easy. All you gotta do is just find spots where you can grasp and pull. Then move to another section and pull again, and just pull until you get the whole rim off. So here's the original one. Now let's install the EVBase aero covers. Here's the valve stem hole, and we're gonna align it with the valve stem right here. So here we go, got it aligned. Just tap it into place. And there we go. That's as easy to install. What do you guys think? And it completely changed the look. And just like that, what do you think that took, Christine, to install? Honestly, what, 30 seconds?
Yeah, if that. In 30 seconds, you can change from that to that.
To that, just like that. Very, very good product. I am thoroughly impressed, and honestly, it just completely changes the look of the car. It looks completely different. So for those of you that don't want the same hubcaps, just like this, that probably everybody has, and you are maybe are not a fan of the turbine, because also realize the turbine or the darker colored wheels that come straight from Tesla, those are 20 and 21 inches. So the bigger the rim, the harsher the ride. So the best ride that you're gonna have is with the 19-inch, which are these. And I'm sorry, but it completely changes the look. So literally from that to that, I mean, there's just no comparison. So we're gonna show again just how easy it is to change the look. For example purposes, we're gonna show just how easy and how long it actually takes for you to go from that aero cover to these EVBase aftermarket aero covers. All right?
You ready? You just kind of put yourself on the spot here.
All right, let's do this.
All right,
1,
ready?
2, 3. Let's do this. Again, taking note of the valve stem, and done.
25 seconds, I got.
Honestly, this is about the best modification that you can do in under a minute per wheel.
So let's pan out really quick and let's take a look.
Do you want me to take those off or keep them?
No, it's fine. So far, that's how it looks now. Wow.
It completely
really
changes the look.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Guys, this is so awesome.
And look, you can actually see your brake hardware, your caliper.
Yes.
And if you notice, it kind of goes, you don't exactly have the murdered out look, but you have that dark thing going on. And honestly,
yeah.
it completely changes the car, because
okay.
now the window trim, how it's dark, and including the door handles, now it matches with the rims.
So we didn't take a before shot, but let me hop on over to the other side here. So this is what my car looks like with the stock aero covers. So it went from looking like this, guys, to looking like that, guys. Like, you can't tell me that that makes it look like a completely different car in a way. That looks cool. I like it. I'm pleased.
Honestly, I don't know about you, Christine, but I am satisfied. This is the easiest customization that you can do to your car. And if in case for whatever reason, say you curb your wheels, you scratch, or maybe you want to change of style, 30 seconds, you are 30 seconds away from changing the style. This is definitely a product for those of you that say you want the aero cover because you want to keep your efficiency of your car, but also you want the style because, again, if you take off the aero covers, yes, you get a different style, but you lose the efficiency. And these, you get the best of both worlds. You get efficiency and you change the style. That's why I'm really impressed, and I'm really pumped about this product. So first, packaging. From the beginning, it's amazing the care that they took for packaging your aero covers, getting them to you. I was really satisfied. So that's one. Number two is that you can customize your car, okay? Three, that you get the efficiency, the best of both worlds. Different style, and you get to keep your efficiency. Then also, ease of installation, okay? So I don't know, too many, okay, but I'm just counting them all off. Ease of installation. I'm sorry, you cannot get any easier than literally popping them on. That is extremely easy. Affordability, because how much would it be to buy new rims plus new tires and having them installed and all that? To help you guys even with affordability, if you guys use the code PluginDuo, you guys will get 20% off of your chosen aero covers from the EVBase store online. I think this is a really great product. Thanks to EVBase for sponsoring this video and working with us.
Yeah, me from behind the camera, I absolutely love the look. I love how it changed it in just a matter of seconds. And yeah, it just gives it a whole new look. I'm happy, like I'm really happy.
So honestly, to me, this gives it definitely a more sporty look, a more individualized. So I think this will do it for this video. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna do it. So what do you guys think? Because honestly, I'm impressed. What about you, Chrissy?
I like it. It gives it a whole new look. Something that it kind of fit along with what I guess I was anticipating. But I really like it. I like the look. Just wasn't sure what look I liked, whether it was the white decal with the black Tesla logo or the black
choices.
matte. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how I feel about that just yet, but I do like both options. But other than that, I like it.
I like that regardless of whatever choice, if you want the matte black or you want the black and white, you know, depending on the color of car that you have, it is great that it includes both. So, thanks to EVBase for sponsoring this video. And again, don't forget that PluginDuo for 20% off, so it makes it that much more affordable. So,
right in the description, guys.
Yep. So anyway, this is gonna do it. My name is Julio.
And I'm Christine. See you guys on the next one.
Bye now.
Bye.